Hello everyone. So this is an introduction about the new course Regeneration Biology that is going to be offered in NPTEL, and this is an interesting course simply because there is a popular knowledge about this subject. People understand what is regeneration, and we should also know that you are living every day simply because of the regenerative capability of your body. For example, your red blood cells lives just 120 days, means roughly around 4 months, and WBC also around 90 days or so. So understand, the blood replenishment happens frequently. That is why you are living. And same way your skin is eroding every day. And if there is no replacement, then you will have only a bleeding body part, etc. So regeneration is happening whether you accept it or understand it or appreciate it, without which you cannot live. In other words, you can say there cannot be a life without regeneration, and technically there cannot be a death with absolute regeneration. So we can say we live in the extremes of complete regeneration versus lack of regeneration. Although both these extremes we can never touch it, we are living somewhere in the middle. So to study regeneration, we use various organisms with a reason. Say some organisms have the ability to regenerate a given set of organs. Say mammals, humans, all other animals can regenerate the liver. But we cannot regenerate our spinal cord, we cannot regenerate our retina, we cannot regenerate our brain, heart, etc. But there are some animals which can regenerate. Even if you cut their limbs, a new limb grows. Even if you cut their spinal cord, the spinal cord gets fused. And if their retina is completely removed, a new retina is formed. A lens is removed from the eye, a new lens is formed. There are some animals that have extreme regenerative capacity. This begs a question: why we don't have that ability? What is lacking in us? Why are we inferior? Can we learn something from this animal, such as zebrafish and axolotl, which has got extreme regenerative capacity? If you learn something from them, can we apply that techniques or that methodology in humans or any other mammals, and we can get the regenerative capacity attained back in our body? So the course will be addressing those angles, and not only that, we also address, can we use so-called stem cells to fix a damaged tissue? Can we create new stem cells to put into a patient? Or can we use some of these stem cells to print an organ? Can we create artificially, make a scaffold or make any other structures on which these stem cells can be mobilized, and can we make a in vitro organ, and this organ can be put back into the patient? Like we have heard many times, a kidney transplantation or a liver transplantation or skin transplantation, these are all dependent on a donor. But can we make an organ in a bench without any contribution coming from a living or non-living patient? So these are all the angles of exploration that is going on in the regeneration biology. So we will learn more and more and more about this topic in detail in this course. And having knowledge about this course make you a better appreciator of human body, and also how good you are going to explore this technology into normal life. So I request, if you take this course, you will be a better educated human being in terms of regeneration biology in your body. Thank you.